the Saturday night videos on the lathe are going down very well. I'm getting some really good response from them, good feedback. The Patreon channel is taking away quite nicely. I'm getting really good response for the casting videos I put on. So I've done one tonight. I've re-edited 2 videos into one, all about casting using the original part as a pattern. I hope you find that interesting. This untidy mess is where I keep most of the collets in the bits and pieces that I use on the milling machine all the time. I've decided to make a new rack for the AR40s and make a rack for the AR32s. I had a rack and somebody wanted it, so I give it away, and I haven't gotten on to make another one. So I'm going to go up into the top shade, draw some bits and pieces out, and so I can plasma cut some decent racks out so I can tidy this drop. I don't like working like this. Good start, the wheels are the right size. That sounds good, that's really good, that's all very clear. Just the light polish is all that needs. Put some few slots of MIG along there just to give it a bit more support, but basically that's it done. Also made the AR32 one as well, exactly the same, slightly smaller. If you want any of these, just send us an email. That's my email address up there. This is typical of the sort of look I have. I didn't measure these, I just made them. And obviously the bastards won't fit in by 1/8 of an inch. I'll go and trim a little bit off there just so they do fit in, and they're going to go in the back of there quite nicely and contain all the collets, and then all the other bits and pieces can go in here. Unbelievable that, for the sake of 1/8 of an inch. Anyway. It's fast, isn't it, going to go in, is it? Right, I take it all back, it will go in. It'll go in like that. You'd think I'd design it to do that, wouldn't you? Right, we'll put the collets in and see what room we've got left. Right, I'm sure the glue that's a lot better. I've got 3 extra ones. In fact, that was 4. These are sort of super size AR-40s. I got them given. They're not very accurate, but they're there anyway. That's basically all the tooling that I use on the milling machine all the time. The wrenches, that hammer, that's it. That's all that needs to be in there. And these are in order so I can pick them out there instead of having to scrabble about. If anybody wants any of these tools that I was making, just send us an email. That's my email up there. I can do them with flat pack or I can weld them. This is the hand wheel I made for the Sentinel wagon, the diff lock hand wheel. I've left the square undersize. I just filed that out to shape so that I was getting it and finish it to fit his spindle. All I've got to do now is make a nut for it. It's a 1/2 inch Whitworth nut and a nice brass washer. And I'm going to use brass for the nut so it looks it looks nice and, well, it'll look nice. This is going to get painted black. On Richard's that rim's polished silver, but I think the lad wants to leave it all black. So that's what we're going to do now, make a 1/2 inch nut and make a nice washer for there. I think it's already been used to making nuts. I'll just check on the drill size for 1/2 inch Whitworth. Right, the drill size for 1/2 inch width is 10.5 according to my chart, which is basically what that is. There's a little bit of run off there, but it's not going to affect much. I use an AR-32 collet tool to hold the tap. It gets a much better grip than an ordinary drill chuck. Brass is normally machine dry. That's a brand new tap, so it's going to pull itself in there. No problem at all. I'm just going to use the face of the chuck to make sure that the part of the tool is at 90 degrees to the job. I know it's on centre height because it's used all the time. I want the nut to be quite deep. Whitworth nuts were a lot deeper than the ordinary, or at least in the metric equivalent. That looks good there. Once you get through the little foot part, it should. When I've got this set up, I think I'll make some more nuts actually. Right, next is the brass washer. I've got some brass bar, the right diameter here. Bastard. make a light cut so it's running true. Right, that's it off. Very little waste. Right, that's it finished with its nice washer, its nice brass nut. I enjoy making parts like this because this is going to be here for a long time, I would imagine. Probably long after we've gone. Anyway, I do like making brass nuts. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and ask your friends to subscribe, because I am getting very near to the 100,000, which is not bad at all for a mechanic that pisses about. Anyway, thanks for watching.